So there, this is a Bambu P1S. So my finger here is stuck inside the filament, cannot go out. So I already removed it. There is no clock, you see. Something inside have some trouble here. So I need to remove, come out here. You can see. Okay, first need to remove this nozzle. Let's see. Just there's two screw here. Okay, so we do here. Okay, now try to remove. See. Okay, see. There's a clock here. Okay. Okay. Okay, now this is the cutter. So now remove the cutter here. Also, I need to remove, take out, there are 4 screws here. So one by one, carefully loosen here. Okay, there is another screw, one screw here. Okay. Let's investigate. So I already found here also stacking inside the film nozzle. So I need to check also here. See, it's totally jammed. So see, that plastic filament is stuck here also here. Okay, now a screw. First, remove the 3 screws. I have another screw. So total is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are fully open. So I'm bearing. Okay. See, side filament stack. I need to open this two screw also very carefully. Okay, so remove this circuit. Okay. Another two screw from front side. Okay, I already removed. See here inside the filament. Okay, so very carefully okay, so now remove this one. Okay, see inside, you can see inside the plastic filament is stacked fully. See? Okay, now check anything happen here. Okay, inside, no. Okay, now fix it again. Push. Okay, now I need to set everything. Now you can see, very easy. Okay, now this device is fixed. Extruder. Okay, extruder is not. Take this screw. Okay. Okay, now it is the ribbon. One by one, all the ribbon. See. Okay. Very carefully before touch the nozzle must be this filament after heating push down, otherwise again stuck. Okay. Okay, first power on. Set the temperature. (270) because the ABS filament, first filament is ABS stack, so must be temperature off. Okay. Okay, so I have set here as 270 temperature, it's manually, and because the nozzle you see that this is the ABS filament, so already stacked, so must be pushed down before attach the filament, because of this filament also stuck here. Okay. See the filament going inside. Okay. Now clean. Power off. Now touch the nozzle. Now touch the nozzle. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I need to print for testing everything is work or not. I already set up everything inside. Now start the print. Now filament push inside. First filament A1. Now see. Now popcorn is cut and filament inside. See, filament push and come out from the nozzle. Now fix it. Now I have fixed the problem. Now solved. Help for other people. If you have any issue, Bambu Lab P1S, A1 mini, so all nozzle can clean like this. So everyone, you can see now printing is very well. This is the first layer. It's already done. Now don't have any issue after fix the nozzle. So I hope this video is helpful for others, everyone, so you can fix it yourself. Thank you so much for watching my video. Now see the quality, everything perfect.